In this video, I will show you how you can create a group in MeWe, social media site, to share business or YouTube videos to promote to people across the platform. So let's get started with the video. Once we are logged into MeWe platform, to create a group, we can click the groups option here. And again, new group option. In the pop-up window, we can give a suitable name for the group we want to create. And next below, we can add a brief description for the MeWe group. We can upload a nice cover image from our computer for the MeWe group. Next, we need to select the industry category the group's topic of discussion is all about. Next, here, we can select an option on how anyone can join the group, which anyone can join by approval of admin or open to public. And next, we can select permissions that we want to allow to people who are joining the group. And here, we can add a group introduction message for new group members in this box. And done creating group in MeWe, where we can constantly keep creating and promoting content for their business and YouTube videos. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.